Understanding, framing the subject in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, framing the subject. This phrase can be quite versatile, depending on the context it's used in. Whether you're diving into a conversation, giving a presentation, or crafting a story, understanding how to frame the subject is key to clear and effective communication. Let's delve into what this means and how you can use it to enhance your English skills. Framing the subject refers to the way in which a topic, idea, or issue is presented and structured for discussion or consideration. It's about setting up the context, background, and perspective from which the subject will be viewed and understood. Think of it as setting the stage for your audience, guiding them to see the subject through the lens you want them to use. Framing the subject is crucial because it shapes the listener's or reader's perception of the topic. By carefully choosing the information and perspective you present, you can influence how your audience thinks and feels about the subject. This is especially important in persuasive writing or speaking, where the goal is to sway the audience toward a particular viewpoint. In journalism, a news report might frame a story by focusing on certain facts or perspectives, influencing public opinion. In conversations, when discussing sensitive topics, how you frame the subject can determine whether the conversation is productive or confrontational. In education, teachers frame subjects to highlight certain aspects that align with the lesson's objectives, making the material more accessible and engaging for students. 1. Know your audience. Understand their interests, knowledge level, and potential biases. 2. Define your objective. Be clear about what you want to achieve with your communication. 3. Choose your angle. Decide which aspects of the subject are most relevant and engaging for your audience. 4. Set the context. Provide the necessary background information to help your audience understand the subject. 5. Highlight key points. Emphasize the most important information to guide your audience's understanding and reaction. Framing the subject is a powerful tool in communication, offering a way to shape how information is perceived and understood. By mastering this skill, you can become a more effective communicator, capable of engaging your audience and conveying your messages more persuasively. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of framing and how to do it effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!